It's not external. The real transformation, the real breakthrough to life begins with you. It's a personal work. Job understood what I'm going through. It is my problem. And sometimes people are going through, oh, this person making me unhappy, this person making me mad, this person is this person is that. No, it is your personal problem. If you're angry because somebody did something to you, it is not that person's problem. It is your personal problem. You need to now work on anger. Because, it's easy for us to say, oh, that person made me angry because of something they did. No, it shows that there's something in you. It's so interesting. I think I had a dream last night. And in that dream, I was angry at something that somebody did. When I woke up, I said, ooh, I got to work on anger. That was even a dream. It wasn't even real life. But waking up from that dream, I said, why was I angry at that person for what they did in my dream? So I told myself, I got to work on anger. It is my problem. It is not that person's problem that I got angry. Because whether we like it